In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the quick export option, which means exporting your video quickly without going through the full export settings panel. Quick export is useful when you want to generate a fast draft or preview version of your video. Let's begin. Look at the top right corner of Adobe Premiere Pro. You'll see a quick export button. Click on it. A small export window will appear. Here, you'll see preset options like match source, adaptive high bitrate, or other commonly used formats. By default, it usually selects H264, which is perfect for general video sharing and YouTube uploads. You can choose the preset you prefer. Next, click on the file name to choose where you want to save your video. Select the location and click Save. Now, simply click Export. The Premiere will immediately begin exporting using the selected preset. Quick export skips advanced settings like detailed bitrate control or alpha channel options, but it's perfect for fast and simple exports. If you need more advanced control, you can use the full export tab instead. And that's it. You now know how to use quick export in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.